In this video, you'll learn how to automatically export data from Excel to a SharePoint list using the Run Script action in Power Automate. This is especially handy if you get a daily export from a database that overwrites the same Excel file every day. With Run Script, you can still pull out that data before it's overwritten. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your Excel file from SharePoint Documents. Go to your SharePoint site and open the Excel file from the Documents library. In this example, a file called Test. This is important because the file needs to be stored in SharePoint, otherwise Power Automate won't be able to find it later. Our file has 4 columns: description, priority, department, and due date. Step 2. Create a new Office script. Go to the Automate tab in Excel and click New Script. This opens the code editor. Step 3. Add the script and fill in your variables. Add the script shown on screen into the editor. This script works as a template, so there are only 3 spots you need to adjust for your own table, marked on screen. The first is the sort setting, which column to sort by and whether it's ascending or descending. The second is the column names. These need to exactly match your Excel headers. The third is the row numbers, which simply follow your column order from left to right. Once you've updated these 3 spots, give your script a clear, recognizable name, since this is the name you'll look for later inside Power Automate, then click Save. Step 4. Go to Power Automate and create a scheduled cloud flow. Go to Power Automate, click Create, then choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, then set how often it should run, for example once every day, and click Create. This is handy when you get a new export or data dump in Excel every day and want it processed automatically without doing anything yourself. Step 5. Add the Run Script action. Click New Step and search for Run Script. Select the Excel Online, Business, connector. Then choose the location, Document Library, and the Excel file where your script is saved. Finally, select the script you created in Step 3 from the drop-down list. Step 6. Add a Parse JSON action. Click New Step and search for Parse JSON. For the content, use the expression shown on screen. This pulls the result value out of your Run Script action. Then add the schema shown on screen. This is also a template, so just update the property names to match the column names you used in your script. Please keep in mind that the due date column is a date column in Excel, so type is number in this case. If you only have text columns, use type string like the rest of the columns. Step 7. Create SharePoint list items. Add and apply to each. This automatically loops through every row from your parsed data. Inside it, add a Create Item action, connect it to your SharePoint list, and map each field to the matching value from your data. For the due date field specifically, use the expression shown on screen instead of the plain value, because Excel sends dates as a serial number, not as text, and this expression converts it into a proper date that SharePoint accepts. Step 8. Save and test the flow. Click Save, then click Test to run the flow manually. Check that the Run Script action returns your sorted table, and confirm that new items appear in your SharePoint list with the correct dates. If everything looks correct, your flow will now run automatically every day going forward. That's it. You've built a working flow that exports your Excel data to a SharePoint list automatically, every day. From here, you could take this even further, for example by writing the data into another Excel file instead, or emailing it to your team. I'll cover those in future videos. If this helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.